Ready?
Alright, this is the service elevator in receiving area 5 at King of Prussia Mall, King of Prussia, Pennsylvania.
My first mall service elevator.
I have Dante and Nick. Elevator King 3 is like the name.
This is easy to access. It's right near Lord and Taylor.
Elevator King 7, but when John and I first met, he kept calling me Elevator King 3.
Oh, that's funny. You saw the double button, right? Just because.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird.
This is what receiving area 4 used to look like until it got converted.
It was huge.
Tilt it up.
Ugh, it stinks in here.
Yeah.
Jeez, it stinks.
You hear the motor?
Yeah, let's listen. One.
This is Adam's indicator.
Okay.
Alright, we'll go to 1. No, there is a phone. These didn't used to have phones. They were added, actually. GAL interlocks, if you see. Which is odd. I think the interlocks might have been replaced, but this is likely a Montgomery. You think it is?
12,000.
I think it's Montgomery.
It's weird with that.
Let's get a cat view. One of the lights is burned out.
Yeah.
I kind of wish they would have turned on the fan. I'm sorry to say.
The fan does it look disgusting? Oh wait, can you see the shaft through there?
Oh yeah, as a matter of fact, you can.
You want to take another round if you want?
No, I'm a little nervous.
Alright, we can get off this thing, but you can see the shaft off the fan. Here we are at 1. Yeah, it's not pretty nice, yeah. 12.
Let's ring the bell.
Oh yeah, it looks like there's a shaft light on. Look, you can sort of see. Yeah, there is. It is. Where's the shaft light?
Oh, that's a Montgomery interlock.
No, that's GAL, isn't it?
The outside one is.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's alright.
There it goes, and
And that's it.
that's it.
Okay, now,